Hello guys, this is again Supernova coming with the first tutorial for After Effects. As we can see, first of all we have to install After Effects in our PC. The minimum requirement for this software is I guess around 2 GB of RAM and a dual core processor, can be 2.53 GHz. So this is our After Effects, and what we can see is the basic three windows overall. The lower one is known as the timeline, on which we generally work on. This side is known as the basic project window, where we can add on files and we can even edit them a little bit, and overall the projection is shown in the final window, which is known as the compositing window. So the first of all, for creating a project, we can press right click, and on that we get a lot many options. For the time being, we will use new composition. That is the main requirement for starting a new composition on After Effects. By hitting on this, we get a attribute window for compositing the file. So here we have a lot many options. These are the preload basic options which are installed in the After Effects, and whenever we click on this we get various types of file formats. So basically we will be working on this one, the PAL-DV, square pixel. We have various other formats, and we will see that on the later on stage. So we can check out the width and the height, which is of default preset which we have taken on. We also have the lock aspect ratio. If we unlock it, we can increase width simultaneously without increasing the height. So we have pixel aspect ratio and everything seems to be fine, frame rate, and when we press OK, we get a nice composition on the right side of the composition window. Sorry, pardon. And here we have the render queue, which we are going to use after we are compiling something. So after clicking on this window, the window I'll call the RS window, cause right side for RS and LS window. So when we are working on the RS window, we can press, or we can start with a solid layer by just pressing new and solid, and by selecting the color from the picker we can assign any color to this thing, any color we want to have. For time being, I take this and press OK. So it will be exactly the same size of a composition. So this information is contained in the folder, which is lime green solid 1. We can rename it by pressing enter, and we say parrot. Parrot looks like this, that's why I'm putting the name parrot. And otherwise we can take any of the name in that. So we can use this as the basic layer for BG or anything like that, and we have that in this stuff also. We have the attributes, we have nice transform, we have these attributes for this solid layer, that are transform, anchor point, position, scale, rotation, opacity. Basically we do whatever we feel like. We can first set the keys, and this is the anchor point. We can move it by using the Y key, and placing it wherever we want to set the anchor point. See, I place it on this side and press Y. So now you can see, just hold on.